Am I the only one that didn't know how epic the Paris 2024 Olympics would be? Hey everybody, can you believe it? It's finally here. The Paris 2024 Olympics. I'm talking baguettes, berets, and breaking records. The City of Lights is turning into the City of Firsts. Urban sports in iconic locations, surfing in paradise, and breakdancing battles for the history books. Bienvenue to the Paris 2024 Olympics. Let's dive into the fun. Get ready for an unforgettable ride. If you're a thrill seeker, then you need to check out the urban sports at the Paris 2024 Olympics. That's right, folks. Urban sports are taking center stage in Paris, and we're not just talking about a half pipe in a parking lot. Picture this: skateboarders grinding down the Place de la Concorde, BMXers catching air at the foot of the Eiffel Tower. It's going to be epic. Just imagine. Tony Hawk doing a 900 with a baguette in his hand. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Paris 2024 is bringing the cool factor, and I for one am so there. Hold on, we're catching a wave all the way to Tahiti. Yep, you heard that right. Surfing is making its Olympic debut, and they're doing it in style. While the rest of us are stuck in... Get ready to bust a move, because breakdancing is officially an Olympic sport. That's right, all you cardboard kings and queens out there, it's time to dust off those tracksuits and show the world what you've got. Head spins, windmills, and maybe even a little worm action. It's all going down in Paris. I can't wait to see the judges' faces when someone busts out a move they've never even seen before. Maybe I'll even give it a try. Just kidding, I'd probably pull a hamstring trying to do the robot. Leveling the playing field. Paris. 2024 is all about equality, and I'm not just talking about the cheese-to-bread ratio in a good croquet monsieur. For the first time in Olympic history, there will be an equal number of male and female athletes competing. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about a level playing field where the only thing that matters is skill, determination, and maybe a little bit of luck. It's about time, right? Go team, everyone. From monuments to medals. Have you ever wanted to fence with the Eiffel Tower as your backdrop, or maybe play volleyball in the shadow of the Arc de Triomphe? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because Paris 2024 is taking the games to some of the most iconic locations in the world. We're talking judo at the Grand Palais, archery under the Eiffel Tower, and beach volleyball on the banks of the Seine. It's going to be like a postcard come to life, only with more sweat, tears, and hopefully victory dances. Paris 2024 isn't just about breaking records, it's about breaking the mold when it comes to sustainability. These games are going greener than a Parisian park in springtime, with a focus on eco-friendly initiatives that will make Mother Nature proud. We're talking about everything from using renewable energy to reducing waste and promoting sustainable transportation. Because let's face it, saving the planet is the ultimate gold medal. Ever dreamed of running a marathon alongside Olympic athletes? Well, lace up your sneakers, because Paris 2024 is giving you the chance to do just that. That's right, folks. There's going to be a mass participation marathon, where you can run the same course as the pros. Now, I'm not saying you'll be crossing the finish line holding hands with the gold medalist, but hey, a guy can dream, right? Just imagine the bragging rights. Paris 2024 is all about bringing people together, and what better way to do that than with even more mixed-gender events? That's right, we're talking about men and women teaming up to go for the gold in sports like swimming, athletics, and even archery. Because when it comes to winning, it's not about gender, it's about teamwork, communication, and maybe a little bit of healthy competition. Who knows, maybe we'll even see some new Olympic records broken along the way. So there you have it, folks. The Paris 2024 Olympics are shaping up to be the most exciting games yet. With all these amazing firsts, it's going to be an experience we'll never forget. Remember to mark your calendars, set your DVRs, and get ready to cheer on your favorite athletes. And hey, if you happen to see me wandering around Paris trying to blend in with a baguette under my arm, just come say hi. The Paris 2024 Olympics promise to be unforgettable with all these exciting firsts. Stay tuned and be part of history with a side of humor. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and updates on the Paris 2024 Olympics.